NFE stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is NFE stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking down my exact play and all of that in this brief and short 1-minute video. I'm the only guy in the space that has done 43,000 videos and has documented them all, plus shown you what's actually working and what's not. Yeah, again, it's taken me 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars of my own money, but I've seen what's printing. With this in particular, it's a bullish market and I quite like it. Short term though, you know, like if I zoom out, you can probably see my hard time frame idea, which beforehand, you know, I had a sell side which delivered. Then I was going for doubling down on the sell side, which was 308, which didn't quite happen. And more so, if there is a shift, I'm still willing to take it down. You know what I mean? So that's how that's gonna look like. I have quite a few receipts with like one receipt in this Discord. But what this means is that if I see a shift and a double break, I'm still willing to take it down because hard time from bias is still bearish for me. Again, it's not financial advice. I'm just sharing what's looking like for me. If you want to stay tuned with NFE, you want to learn how get money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, absolutely free.